Unlocking the secrets of book repair. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a simple but intriguing phrase, book repair. Whether you're a book lover, a student, or just curious about English phrases, understanding what book repair means will surely add to your linguistic toolkit. So, let's dive into the world of books and learn how this phrase can be used in different contexts. When we break down the phrase, book repair, it consists of two words, book, which means a set of printed or written pages, usually bound together with a protective cover, and repair, which means to fix something that is broken or damaged. So, put together, book repair literally means fixing a book that has been damaged. This could include mending torn pages, reattaching a cover, or restoring a book's spine. Examples in sentences. I took my old dictionary to a specialist for book repair because it was falling apart. Do you know a good method for book repair? My favorite novel has a few loose pages. Sometimes, phrases are used in a metaphorical sense. Although book repair is not commonly used as a metaphor, it could be employed creatively. For instance, one might use it to talk about repairing or fixing the way information is organized or presented in a piece of writing. Examples in sentences. The editor said my manuscript needed some book repair before it could be published. After reviewing the draft, it was clear that some book repair in the form of restructuring the chapters was needed. Book repair can also refer to a service offered by professionals who specialize in restoring old or damaged books. Libraries often have book repair services to maintain their collections. Examples in sentences. The library's book repair service has saved many rare manuscripts from further damage. She started a book repair business, offering her skills to restore vintage books. Understanding the phrase, book repair, can be useful for several reasons. For language learners, it's an excellent example of how English words can combine to form new meanings. It also reflects the love for preservation and respect for knowledge encapsulated in books. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, book repair, and shown you the beauty of combining words to form new meanings. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new shade of meaning and adds depth to your communication skills. Keep learning, keep exploring, and let's cherish the knowledge that comes our way. Until next time, happy learning!